ऑलराइट गाइस, सो ऑडिसी का ट्रेलर रिलीज हो चुका था। जो फाइनल ट्रेलर है, ऑफिशियल काउंटडाउन ट्रेलर, ये क्रिस्टोफर नोलन का वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मूवीज लाइक बोला जा रहा है। लेकिन भाई साहब, ऑनलाइन रिएक्शन और इसका रिसेप्शन यार इतना खराब कैसे हो सकता है? दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली इनसेन। 49 के लाइक्स टू 215 के डिसलाइक्स। This has to be one of the most biggest ratios that I've ever seen because Nolan used to be one of those legends जो हम लोग को बैटमैन द डार्क नाइट और बैटमैन का लाइक पूरा सीरीज दिया था। और वो अभी जाके ऐसा मूवी बना रहा है जो इतना खराब लाइक रिसीव हो रहा है। इट इज़ एब्सोल्युटली इनसेन। लाइक मेरे को नहीं पता था कि लाइक नोलन का करियर में कुछ ऐसा हो सकता है। 49 के लाइक्स टू 215 के डिसलाइक्स, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली लाइक इनसेन एंड टू मच। और यूट्यूब का कमेंट सेक्शन लाइक बहुत भयानक है। लाइक द फेस दैट एम्प्टी द 1000 सीट्स। सो आई थिंक इट्स बेसिकली रिफरिंग टू लाइक हेलन ऑफ ट्रॉय। लाइक ये हेलन ऑफ ट्रॉय इज ऑफिशियली सेट टू बी वाइट, जहाँ तक मेरे को लगता है, और इसी का ओरिजिनल नॉवल में। और यहाँ पे उसको लाइक मतलब उसको जेंडर स्वैप कर दिया है, विच इज़ लाइक डायबॉलिकल। मेरे को नहीं पता था कि लाइक ऐसा जेंडर स्वैप हो सकता है। But why would they do that? Like, I don't understand. Like, what is even the point of like doing this when you can just deliver a faithful adaptation? I don't know. मेरे को लग रहा है भाई कि like ये लोग भाई अपना ही like पैर पे like कुल्हाड़ी मार रहे हैं, तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। Comments is insane. The face that emptied 1000 seats. I'm surprised they forgot the rap music. Oh हाँ, जो ट्रेविस स्कॉट को like ये लोग कास्ट किया था। It is absolutely insane. The Odyssey Downtown LA edition. How to spit in the face of one of the most greatest epic stories of all time. हाँ, ऑडिसी बोला गया है कि लाइक इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ग्रेटेस्ट स्टोरीज ऑफ ऑल टाइम। सो मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि लाइक व्हाई वुड यू नॉट जस्ट डिलीवर इट फेथफुली? इट जस्ट मेक्स नो सेंस। The face that launched 1,000 hers. Okay यार, like it should have easily been delivered, लेकिन मेरे को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि like what is even the point of like this? What is even the point of this movie जब like ये किसी को like happy नहीं बना सकता है? Peak Hollywood garbage. Hollywood like मेरे को लग रहा है ना भाई, like it has been like delivering some of the worst movies of all times for the past like few years, and it is not even close. Superman भाई साहब Demon Slayer से absolutely like मार खा गया था। तो like I don't understand कि like ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? Official countdown, is that a threat? Look at me, I'm Helen of Detroit now. The California sea. Okay. लाइक ऑडिसी को लाइक ये लोग भाई अच्छा से अडाप्ट कर सकता था, लेकिन मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि लाइक व्हाट्स द पॉइंट ऑफ दिस? व्हाट इज इवन द पॉइंट ऑफ ऑल दिस? द गॉड कैन ईट माई शॉर्ट सेड Bart, son of Homer. Oh my god. Yes, like sense of humor, like it's absolutely insane. The Odyssey's final trailer 24 hours 38 के लाइक ओ हाँ, ये तो हम लोग देखे थे। अभी इससे ज्यादा हो चुका, और ये कॉमेडी पोस्ट पे भयानक है। The face that launched 1,000 chicken franchises. What? What is this? Uh, AI is getting out of hand, yeah. Okay, AI is absolutely getting out of hand. There were Africans present in the most ancient societies. Why would that image be problem? What? Hope the makers get sued for. Okay, look at me. I'm Helen of Troy now. This is insane. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि like what is even the point of like pandering to such a crowd like this? Like what is even the point of this? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। और the ratio on the Odyssey trailer got worse, with dislikes more than doubled in less than 12 hours. Like, this is absolutely insane. Estimated data from book readership demographic information, Google Trends, and Quorum tracking data show that people in the key demographic 18 to 35 were not interested in the story, with less than 25% having read or being familiar with the core element of the story. In the key demo, only half of them are interested in the major film adaptation, which is far lower than IPs like Dune, Batman, and others. Batman is a legendary IP. Batman से भाई कोई लड़ नहीं सकता है. A clear majority interest in the movie is seen with Gen X and baby boomers who have been reducing their overall movie going activity. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, अगर मूवी अच्छा नहीं जाएगा तो कोई भी जनरेशन उसको नहीं देखेगा। अकॉर्डिंग टू 2026 डेटा, जेन ज़ी इज़ द मोस्ट एक्टिव मूवी गोइंग डेमोग्राफिक with 87% of them going to the movies in the last 12 months, driving 40% of the total ticket sales. To compare, only 58% of the boomers have gone to the movie in last 12 months. So what does this all mean? The interest in the most important demographic, Gen Z, is the lowest massive ratio, likely will underperform commercially. Huh, of course. Like majority of the movie goers are like that only. तो like अगर अच्छा मूवी नहीं रहा ना, to be fair, तो like कोई जनरेशन देखेगा नहीं. It is absolutely insane. Nah, like I have to see this. This is absolutely insane.
New images from the Odyssey?
New images from the Odyssey, okay?
Fake. I don't believe.
Fake? Wait, no, this is official. Bhai, anyone who actually first saw this, उसको of course लगेगा कि ये fake है, but this is from an official source.
It.
Okay?
I don't believe it.
No, ये official image है. Official है. किसी को भी लगेगा कि
Let's
like
see the other photos.
Okay. Oh my god. कोई भी देखेगा ना, उसको लगेगा कि ये चीज लाइक ये चीज फैन मेड है, लेकिन भाई इवन लाइक अमेरिकन लोग भी जहां तक मैं देख रहा हूँ तो ये लोग का ऐसा रिएक्शन है. सो एज एन इंडियन आई एम नॉट श्योर.
Oh man. It's all in the trailer.
It's
Oh, there's a
absolutely
trailer?
insane.
It came out 8 hours ago. It has 22,000
नो, इससे ज्यादा हो चुका था. हम लोग देखे इसके पहले, हम लोग देखे
dislikes?
हम लोग इसके पहले देखे थे.
Don't you
This is
remember?
absolutely insane.
Yeah, I saw this. Yeah, there it is.
Fire.
Oh.
हम लोग रिएक्शन इसके कैसे दे रहे हैं?
Uh-oh.
Death.
My dad is coming home.
Wait, टॉम हॉलैंड और रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है? This is absolutely insane. Like टॉम हॉलैंड और रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन ये ट्रेलर में कर क्या रहे हैं, मेरे को तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा यार.
They're playing
shouldn't even
for
be there.
Daddy. He didn't even know, like some sniveling bastard. I could take this from you.
They're not giving up.
To be honest, मेरे को लग रहा है ना भाई, टॉम हॉलैंड definitely has to be one of the most pushed actor में. उसका स्पाइडरमैन ठीक है, लेकिन उसका बाकी सब रोल्स मेरे को नहीं लगता है कि he is actually known for the rest of his role यार. Like to be honest, मेरे को नहीं पता है कि like some of his roles are actually like there. So
Oh, blood. The gods told you.
oh my god. मेरे को लग रहा है कि ये चीज डिजास्टर होगा भाई.
I don't really like, well, I don't really like Matt Damon as Odysseus. I'm not even talking about Helen of Troy. I feel like the only character in this entire thing that like really fit,
Okay.
you know, Robert Pattinson being
रॉबर्ट पैटिंसन का लाइक वो बहुत अच्छा एक्टर है, तो मेरे को लगता है कि लाइक उसको कोई भी रोल सूट करेगा. ही इज लाइक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्टर्स दैट आई हैव सीन. वो बैटमैन में भी ठीक किया था.
like the main
Okay.
suitor who's trying to usurp Odysseus is like definitely this is clean. This is really good.
Yeah,
Otherwise, I mean, I just
बाकी सब-
don't see Matt
To be honest, बाकी सब it is just looking like a low budget parody of a fan made thing यार.
Damon as
Okay.
Odysseus. There's something about him. People are speculating about the studio. The studio is panicking. Are they really? I mean, there is a
What?
lot of negative
Okay.
sentiment about the Odyssey. There is.
Oh, okay. Christopher Nolan's Odyssey to skip social media influencer screening. Oh my lord. Of course. वो लोग भाई ऐसा नहीं चाहेगा.
Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey to skip social media influencer screenings. Yeah, because they don't want to. The thing is that inside of the media ecosystem, the most important thing for them is to maintain the artificial majority that they have. So whenever they
Artificial majority. Make sense. Like media should be for entertainment. I'm not sure कि like ये सब like artificial majority लोग क्यों देखेंगे.
have something like the Odyssey or whatever that comes out, social media will drill down on this because here's the fundamental reality. Not a single mainstream publication will criticize the casting of a black actress as Helen of Troy as
Okay, makes sense. Mainstream वाला लोग कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. Social media पे like people can give their honest opinions.
a very clearly socially motivated political decision. Like everybody knows Helen of Troy wasn't black. Casting a black female as Helen of Troy
yes.
is obvious social messaging. And
हाँ, मेरे को तो लग रहा है like it is, क्योंकि like मेरे को लग रहा है ना ग्रीक वाले लोग भी like इस पे like mad हो गए हैं पूरा ये casting पे. So they are absolutely have gone mad. लाइक ऐसा क्यों करेगा तो मेरे को
and it
समझ में
just
नहीं आ रहा।
immediately kills the immersion for a movie. And I think that most people see that for what it is. And you effectively ask them, I want you to engage in this fantasy with me that you know they're bullshitting. I know they're bullshitting. Everybody knows they're bullshitting. Social media is the only environment where people like this are able to express their viewpoints on topics this way
makes
without fear of institutional repercussions. Because the
Makes
opinion that I just shared is an opinion that you are effectively not allowed to have. But here's where the problem comes, is that the problem is that if a lot of people feel that way and none of these publications are referring that or reflecting that, then where's the representation? Like, just overall, I just feel like a lot of people are kind of sick of it. I think they're sick of it.
True, like I feel like people are absolutely sick
down
of
on
modern
this.
entertainment यार, मेरे को जहाँ तक लग रहा है। इसलिए like anime absolutely destroy कर चुका है whatever Hollywood has created. Anyways guys, that's about it for this video. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, आप लोग क्या सोचते हैं, and do leave a like and a subscribe if you like my content. I will see you all in the next video. That's about it. Peace out. Have fun.